The write-ups are not fadedly written, but on the other one, the write-ups are fadedly written. And welcome to my beauty channel. My name is Damlola. If you're new to this particular channel, do well to subscribe, turn on post notification, like this video, and tell me something great at the comment section. To all my returning subscribers, God bless you. Today I'm going to be talking about a particular product named Simple Refreshing Facial Wash. In this video, I'm going to tell you guys how you can identify the fake from the original. I hope you find this video really helpful. All right, so simple products in general are really good. I like the fact that the name is called Simple. That means it is very good product, especially for people that have sensitive skin. It is not so strong. It is very lenient. Let me use the word lenient. It's not so harsh on the skin. And if you are a fan of simple products, or you've been using simple products for a long period of time, I'm sure you will agree with me that these products are actually extremely safe for the skin. Now, this particular refreshing facial wash is really good because it has a particular ingredient called vitamin E, which helps your skin to look really smooth, look healthy, look really good. It has this radiant look. You know, that is what the ingredient of vitamin E does in the skin. Okay, so and apart from that, this particular facial wash helps to, you know, wash away dirt, helps to wash away impurities. It helps to cleanse the skin, leaving your skin really superb, leaving your skin well clean, well hydrated, and doesn't leave your skin dry at all. You know, there are some facial wash that you will use, especially for those of you that have oily skin. You use some facial wash on your skin and then your skin will now start looking very, very dry. No, this one is actually very good for sensitive and oily skin. And when you use it on your skin, oh my goodness, your skin will not be dry. It will just look really clean, really radiant, feels purified, feels well laid, that you can actually use any product on it. That is what is going to do to your skin. I'm not trying to advertise simple products, but I'm just trying to tell you guys that this particular facial wash is actually really safe for sensitive and oily skin. Okay, but if you have dry skin, I will not advise you to go for this particular facial wash because it's majorly for sensitive and oily skin. Okay, is that safe, right? I always preach about safe products, and I wonder why I've never for once talked about simple products. Okay, so that is why we are now currently on simple products. Okay, so now let's not go to the real ding dong. I don't want this particular video to be too long, guys. I'm going to try my best not to make it too long because I actually really want you guys to know that you can buy this product and still feel safe. I don't know why there are a lot of fake products out there. I do not even understand. Every product has its own fake. Every product has a counterfeit. Like, I don't know why they cannot just allow the makers of products to enjoy themselves, enjoy their money. Why must there have to be another maker trying to make the same products? Like, it's very, very painful, not just to the sellers but also to the buyers, because you don't tend to know the one that is now the original and the one that is now the fake. Now, this particular simple facial wash, if you want to buy it, they have the new one, so I'm going to be telling you guys 3 ways to identify the fake from the original. 3 ways you can identify the fake from the original. Okay, the first thing to check out for is this. Now, bear in mind that this particular video is on the new Simple Refreshing Facial Wash. Now, these are 2 pictures of Simple Refreshing Facial Wash. They look alike, but they are not the same. One is fake and one is original. They both have new written on it. But if you take a good look at it very, very well, you see that one has a boldly written new on it. Like, you can see it's boldly written. It is not fadedly written, it's written boldly. Why the other one is fadedly written new, right? So that one that is fadedly written new is the fake one. Why the one that is boldly written new is the original one. The green color of the simple inscription on it, the word simple on it, is boldly written in dark green color, not in light green color. It's boldly written in dark green color. Boldly written, like you can typically see the write-up very, very well. Boldly written in dark green color. Also check the write-ups on it. The write-ups are not fadedly written, but on the other one, the write-ups are fadedly written. At the front and even at the back. If you go to the back, you will see that the write-ups at the back of the original one is written boldly, like the green is green, like it's is dark green. Like you can see the write-up very, very well, right? Just like the way you have extra soap. Extra soap at the back of it. The write-ups on it for the original one is dark green. But for the fake one, the write-up is light green. Am I making sense? That is the same way Simple is too. Simple Refreshing Facial Wash. I'm being precise. For now, I cannot tell you guys about the moisturizer. This one is just on the Refreshing Facial Wash. The back, check the back also, very, very important. Also, there is this particular, I'm not sure if it's a batch number or I think it's actually a batch number. I think it's a code. I don't know, Sha. This particular code too, right? That is written in a light green color, but another one is written in a dark green color. The dark green color is the original one. So check out for all these things. They're very, very important, especially the write-ups, right? The write-ups needs to be written boldly, like you can see it clearly, not fadedly written. All right, those are the 3 ways you can identify the fake Simple Refreshing Facial Wash from the original one. In my next video, I'll try to bring another content on simple products, probably a review or how to also identify fake from original, so that you guys don't make any mistake. Most importantly, please buy from a trusted vendor. If you're buying any product at all, like any product at all, buy from a trusted vendor. Also, because of my dark spots that I've been going through for like a while now, I wanted to actually get a particular product that I've used before for dark spots, but the vendor that I know that sells the original doesn't have it. That is why it has been very difficult for me to, clear this thing off, guys. And in my last video, I told you guys that I want to take a break. So I've been taking a break for like a while now, and I got this product. I haven't used it on my face. I've just been doing a patch test by my neck side just to know if it's not going to irritate my face. This is a Roushun vitamin C serum. I was told this vitamin C serum is very, very good, especially for dark spots. It's very, very good, and it's best to use it with a sunscreen. But I have not used it yet, guys, on my face. So please, this one carries USA. I don't know if you have used it. This one carries USA. If you have used this particular serum before and your own carries USA and it is original, please let me know at the comment section, okay? Please let me know, because I made a lot of research on this serum to see if I bought the original one, but nobody is answering me. I didn't see any content on that, just to be sure before I apply it on my face, because I don't want anything to irritate my skin. Please, guys, help your girl out. Okay, so with these few points on I want to tell you guys that is all I have for you guys for now. Many more are to come. Do not forget to subscribe to my channel, like this video, turn on post notification, and tell me something great at the comment section. Please don't forget to use your sunscreen, okay? I love you guys. See ya. Bye.